Alright guys, welcome to another video. So this is a follow-up from the Roborock purchase I made off of Amazon on the Black Friday weekend. So this Roborock still works great. I still recommend it, you guys. I've had it for about 3 weeks, I want to say, maybe even a month. And the number one thing I want to say about it is it still works great. It still picks up the food and the crap off of my floor. It still does the carpets just fine. I've realized that it's actually gotten better and smarter over time as well. Now, it takes less time for it to pick up everything, and it still does a great job. One thing I've seen is sometimes with wrappers, it does kind of move them around a little bit on the eco setting. I have it on an eco setting, so it'll last longer on the battery. One thing I noticed when I first got it was it liked to clean a lot of the areas of the house, and then it would go back to the charger because it would be dead or almost dead. It looks like when it gets down to about 20% of battery life, it goes back to the dock and charges itself up. Every time I clean the trap, it has a bunch of garbage in there that it picked up. And we're talking just everything from dust to hair to whatever else. It does a great job. The trap is always full, and it's always found all kinds of crap off my floor. I usually wait about a week in between cleanings because my place doesn't get that dirty that fast. One thing I found by looking at the underside of the device today was the roller brush had a bunch of hair and some pieces of electric blanket on my floor because I store it on the floor in the corner. All these things were built up in there and I had to clean them out. Once I did that, I put it right back into the device itself and it was fine. So the battery life is lasting longer as time goes on. It's cleaning areas quicker, and it's also cleaning areas that it didn't want to clean before a lot better. The mapping is working better. One thing I had a problem with though was when the device went near my curtains, there was a wire running across the floor for my surround sound speakers. It would hit that, and that kind of concerned me because we're trying to run over those wires. So I put a rug over those wires, and now it won't even go on the rug or the wire area, which is covered by the rug. So it's a double whammy. It's noticing that the black rug is probably thinking it's a stairs or something that it could actually fall down, and it's stopping and turning around. So it's not even going over that area anymore. Because one thing that we've noticed is when it hits very dark areas, it does think it is going to fall down the stairs or something like that, and it'll turn around and go the other way. So that could be a good thing. Sometimes it won't clean certain areas because of the sucking feature of the vacuum is on a very low setting. So what I'll do is put it on remote control mode, and I'll actually go over that area myself with the remote control. Then I'll put it back on cleaning mode, and it'll resume cleaning where it was. Everything in the house is super clean. This thing works great. It's able to clean the whole house and still have about 50% battery life left in it, which is super incredible. So would I recommend this thing still to this day? You're damn right. Get yourself a Roborock right now. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out the original video of my unboxing review for this Roborock. Click up here for the initial video for me unboxing this device. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews in the future. Thumbs up the video, and we'll see you guys next time.